Historically, Delta Dental has been the heavyweight of dental insurance companies. Delta had things pretty much its own way for a very long time, but now the mighty have fallen, so to speak. The California Dental Association is responsible. The impact of this will extend far beyond California, and dentists need to know how it's going to affect their practices. I'll be back after the break to tell you what it all means and what steps you should take to protect your practice. Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. In December 2017, the California Dental Association submitted a revised proposed settlement agreement in a class action lawsuit against Delta Dental. The lawsuit was filed in 2013 in response to Delta proposing to cut its California premier provider rates by 8 to 12%. Now, arbitration between CDA and Delta arrived at a settlement of about $35 million. But an error was discovered in calculations for the settlement amount, and the CDA and Delta agreed to additional negotiations. Now, the new proposed settlement tops $65 million. And regardless of how you feel about Delta or state dental associations, there's three things here that all dentists should take very seriously. The first is that individual dentists are pretty much at the mercy, such as it is, of the dental insurance companies. And that's certainly no news to you. But I wonder whether you've realized the implications. If your practice depends on dental insurance to any significant extent, your revenue can take a huge hit very quickly and with almost no warning. The second is that the trend in dental insurance to shift cost more to the patients is ever more prevalent. The result is fewer dental patients seeking care, or more of them needing to make financial arrangements through your practice to pay for the work that you do. Now, that's either a decrease in income for you or a somewhat longer time before you get paid. The third thing is that insurance reimbursement rates overall for dentists are trending downward. The CDA's victory, while important, is basically a blip in that trend. If you as a dentist can't successfully fight the insurance companies, what choices do you have? A few dental practices have decided not to accept insurance any longer. Now, that probably sounds like either a dream or a nightmare for you, depending on your circumstances. And it's not a workable solution for all dental practices. The other, and much better option, is to make dental insurance pretty much irrelevant to your success. Now, before you think I've just completely lost my mind, hear me out. A significant segment of almost every market just doesn't care about dental insurance. That segment is about 30% of any market that we are in. Those better prospects don't care about the low prices and discounts. Those prospects have the ability and the willingness to pay more for the right dentist. Being the right dentist isn't about having the best hands in the business. It's about your prospects coming to like you and trust you and know you and regard you as the best and only logical choice to solve their dental problems. Now, it's possible for almost all dentists to use their online marketing to position themselves as the prospect's preferred choice. And it still always surprises me how few dentists even try. I don't know, maybe they're just too used to the traditional way of doing things, and that's on low price and discounts and specials and insurance acceptance. Now, of course, you can see where I'm going with all this. Traditional dental marketing is a recipe for financial disaster if the current insurance trends continue. And they will. There's one dental patient attraction firm that actually specializes in helping practices to attract more and better patients. SmartBox's industry-leading patient attraction system can deliver a steady stream of new patients, and it does so for over 550 dentists on 3 continents. SmartBox dentists are free to focus on doing what they love, the dentistry, not on riding the herd on the practice marketing. Discover what SmartBox's patient attraction system can do for your practice. Visit smartboxdentalmarketing.com. Reserve a practice discovery session. After the session, you'll get a copy of our patient attraction roadmap, which will show you the road to prosperity. Investing 25 minutes to secure the future of your practice. no matter what the false gods of dental insurance wind up doing. Join me for our next podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.